Lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Starting qualification match number 7 here in Alexandria, Virginia. We've got our autonomous period going right now. It looks like our Saxons on the red side right now trying to make it over that hump, just hitting that edge of that hub. Still in a safe position right now. Looks like they're not shooting, so we're okay right now. Everyone's pretty stationary at the moment. Once again, this is all pre-programmed. We've got one toss from the human player, almost making it. And with that, now we have the drivers having control of their robots. Quickly, our Blue Alliance now having a active hub right now, delivering a couple of those fuel, while our Red Alliance building up that fuel, getting ready for their active. These active periods are about 25 seconds. It'll go back and forth between these teams until the end period where both hubs will be active. Teams can only get points for the fuel when their hub is active. Our Red Alliance side now being active. Looks like we got a few fuel being scored right now on the red side. Got a couple going over top there. Still plenty of time right now. Currently unofficially tied with 5 points each. Once again, we still have a lot of time here. On our red side, got a couple more fuel going in. Now it's over to the blue side with an active hub. Our human players looks like they're going to try to toss a couple of fuel. Blue side, these fuel just coming up slightly short, but a couple are able to go in. Our human player making it on the blue side. Let's see if they get another one. They do. Very impressive shots by our human player. About a minute left, a little bit of interaction here from our 600 teams. That would be Saxons and the Warbots having some interaction in the neutral zone of this field. Seen a little bit of defense here since teams have some downtime in between their inactive hubs. Red Alliance now being active. We've got about 40 seconds left, so lots of time in this match. It's leaning towards the blue side. Red now having that active hub. Not really seeing any action with the fuel, but I am seeing a lot of action in the neutral zone. We've got the majority of our robots here trying to collect some fuel. Our Blue Alliance now having an active, well, actually now both Alliance, because now we're in the last 30 seconds. So all of our teams can score their fuel now. Red side throwing in, almost hitting one of our referees. Human players getting a couple more in for blue. We've got 10 seconds left. Teams can start making their way to the climbs if they choose to do so. Blue Alliance getting a couple more fuel in with 2 seconds left. 1-0. That's the end of qualification match number 7. Unofficial score leaning towards the Blue Alliance. Once again, an unofficial score. It's an unofficial. Have the score. Blue Alliance taking the win with a score of 27-7. Blue Alliance getting those 3 ranking points for the win. Once again, we're still kind of getting settled in our rankings right now. We'll get a couple more matches in before we start seeing those rankings move up and down. So let's get ready for qualification match number 8.